told cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis? Well, I'm here to bust that myth wide open. Let's dive into the science. When you crack your knuckles, you're actually just popping tiny gas bubbles in your joint fluid. It sounds scary, but it's totally harmless. Researchers have studied this for years, and guess what? No link to arthritis. In fact, one doctor cracked the knuckles on just one hand for 60 years. The result? Both hands were equally healthy. So go ahead and crack away if it feels good. Just remember, while it won't cause arthritis, it might annoy the person sitting next to you.